From authentic Oriental delicacies to perfectly marbled steaks, Solaire is home to award-winning restaurants that offer delectable international cuisines. More than satisfying your taste buds, we care about your health and safety at all times. Thus, we've further stepped up our food hygiene practices so you can safely enjoy your favorite dish, drinks, and delights once again.
Hello, I'm Caitlin from the Food and Beverage team. Join me as I walk you through the cleaning and sanitation protocols we practice in the kitchen and restaurants.
When cleaning and sanitizing, we make sure we cover all the bases, from service stations, trolleys, counters, and trays. We use Hygiene Pro antimicrobial nano-coating on tables, chairs, countertops, and high-touch surfaces, both in the kitchen and dining areas. Antimicrobial nano-coatings provide continuous protection against microorganisms for 7 days. This is augmented by Suma J512, which we apply using state-of-the-art electrostatic sprayers at our kitchens. Each and every utensil, glassware, chinaware, and other tablewares go through our dishwashing machines, which make use of precise heat and chemicals to inactivate microorganisms. Hygiene swabbing is done regularly to validate and ensure cleaning and sanitizing is done properly. As an added precaution, our kitchen and dining areas are exposed to UVC light after operations. We want you to experience the finest local and international cuisines while creating a safe and pleasant dining experience here at Solaire. Now, it's time to indulge your senses and relish our culinary treats, knowing that Solaire is safe